Okay, so welcome back. The only thing that's changed really is I plugged in the audio ports for the front and the power switches, lights and the reset switch. We didn't record that because nobody wants to see.
It takes seconds to do, and you saw the wires earlier, basically, innit?
It takes seconds to do if you're lucky. The amount of times I spent poking those little metal spikes is unreal. So that's all we've done so far. The next step would probably be to put this on because it's only just arrived.
Hang on. So it
is a AIO all-in-one water cooling system. So we got a triple fan, so it's 360 millimeters. I'm gonna mount it at the top as an exhaust.
Yeah.
I've got 3 fans I'm gonna mount at the front as intakes, and another fan for the back, which is also going to be an exhaust. A couple more wires to plug in at the back when the fans are in. Show you that in a bit with I've also got the Corsair fan hub as well, so it all links up and you can connect all the lights.
Right. Should we unbox this now?
Yeah, we'll take this out now. I think this is probably gonna take a little while, so we'll probably skip to it being installed.
Okay.
These are fans, 320 millimeter fans. I don't believe the fans are RGB, which isn't a problem for me. Nice big radiator, 260 mils. This case is designed to have a lot of space at the top, so I know it'll fit. And obviously, if you are going to buy yourself one, just make sure you've got a mounting position. A lot of people mount these at the front, but I prefer to mount it at the top as an exhaust, so the hot air can leave the case.
Wait a minute. So yeah, right there. So just put my hand on that. I need to get back.
Just hold that there.
Yeah, hold that there.
It's just the back plate for. Oh shit.
Wait, can I like? You okay?
Stop a sec.
Screwing it in. Needs more hands for this. Do you want me to do this part?
No, it's just getting a better angle or something.
So
Can you go there?
the radiator's just going up by here.
That'll go on there. But we'll install the fans. Shit. Not breaking it, preferably.
We install the fans first, is it? Yeah.
Just for a bit of information, most fans tell you on them which way is pushing and pulling the air. So these tiny arrows saying the airflow will come through and the blades spin this way. So you don't want to have one fan facing this way and the other fan facing this way like this.
Yeah.
Because you'll have it won't be
working properly.
any good.
Yeah.
So you want them all facing out in the same direction. Just say, yeah, just pin the fans to the radiator. We'll come back to you when it's ready.
So we got this together now.
Yeah, and on this particular case, it's the Fantex P600A, I think it was. You can remove the top, so you can install this
On there rather than do it from here.
Yes.
So it's easier.
Okay, we'll come back to you when this is done.
So now we put all the fans on.
All the fans on facing up.
Yep.
To blow the air out. All we gotta do now, make sure the wires are in.
And put it on
Lift
top.
back on.
It's a lot easier than the older ones where you have to just put the fans on.
Just saves 2 minutes.
Yeah.
Passing them out, moving the case up and down and side to side. Ouch. Now, let's get on this. Back. Set 4. Yeah, actually, you've all got the back.
Oh.
We will need.
Oh, it's a bit dark. Let me put the light on.
Touch your toes.
Okay.
Just in the bottom.
So I'll just come on the back through here.
We're not plugging those in just yet. I'm going to close this and lay it flat. Oh, it didn't actually have a little plastic cover. Normally it comes.
Yeah, it did. It came out of here like that. Yeah.
Oops. You can see this has got thermal paste pre-applied to it, so we don't have to add any, which is plenty. We don't have to add any more. Can you hold that there just a second? I just need those thumb screws. Get rid there. They can go back in the box in a minute. Okay, is that the way? With the thumb screws, put one corner on, and then you go to the opposite corner to try to even the pressure. If I can get it on. Try again. There we go, that time. These are just thumb screws. You don't have to over tighten them. And if you do use a screwdriver, they are very, very easy to strip. So I do suggest using a screwdriver at the end just to make sure they're tight enough. But just like pretty much any other screw in the PC, wrist tight only. Otherwise you strip the screw and
yep.
this one's a bit harder to get to because of all the wires. and don't forget to take a little bit of film off it.
Yeah, I
Because
would
it
double
could
check.
possibly melt.
Double check that on everything.
Now we've just got only the graphics card to go in, and then plug some more cables in, and it should be done.
That's pretty cool, isn't it? Okay, so now we're going to put this graphic card in there.
Yeah, it's pretty much the final step. I also put all the fans on the
outside.
On the outside of the case. 3 as intake. The back one is an exhaust, and we got the 3 on the radiator.
On the radiator.
At exhaust. Little bit of cable management and plugging in the fans, and we should be good to go.
That's cool.
Slot.
So the graphic card just goes by there?
In here in the PCI slot.
Yeah.
Normally the top lane, just make sure there's no stickers or anything on it. No, I don't think so. And
No, that is a bad boy, isn't it? That's massive.
And with this in place, push it down, you see the little lock. There's screws that go in there.
Yeah.
Little 7 screws just to hold it up in place. Okay, the graphics card is in.
Yeah.
But the anti-sag bracket,
Yeah.
I'd like to put it in, but I can't, because if you look on the outside of the case, there's a little screw right here, and it's also on this side. Leave it there, leave it there.
Yeah.
So every time I try and put this in, I can't get it on the screw hole because of that screw.
Yeah.
I don't think that
This
can
is too big.
be taken out either.
No.
Which is annoying. I think this is a crappy designed sag bracket, to be fair. It's a bit shit with a little bit of...
Yeah, so...
I mean, it looks okay, but it's so thick, you can't fit it in. And... yeah, and this little bit of this little flimsy thing as well, supposed to push the graphics card. To do is put all the power cables in, and power in the fans on the back. Then test it, boot it, see if you get a picture on your screen, install Windows and your drivers, and you should be good to go.
So part 3 will be coming just to show you it like turned on and stuff shortly. Bye for now.
You can see the reflection of the screen.
Daddy, look what I'm doing.
Just got the USB set up. It's booted, it's picked it up. Just going to install Windows and I don't think anybody wants to watch this. It won't take too long, 5-10 minutes, but it's all good, and we'll come back. Oh, that's probably it, actually. We'll have another look when the lights are on, but that should be it for now. Okay, so all I'm doing now is downloading Windows 10 onto a USB stick. I finished plugging in the fans, and everything powered up first time. All the fans are spinning. There's no lights on the front 3 and back fan yet because the software isn't installed, which I do once Windows is installed. And it's pretty much finished. That's what it looks like on my desk, and that's it, booted to the BIOS.